Yeah, how's everybody doing? Okay, we have something special for you next. We are going to teach the man in the audience how to dance some basic steps, okay? So from your own seat, chair, wherever you are, you're gonna get lessons from one of our most experienced dancers. He's got exactly 3 years of experience last month. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Taitoa. Taitoa is a 3-year experienced dancer. So he's gonna come give you a little lesson, okay? First lesson, when you get on the stage, you strike a really strong pose and you stick to it and show everybody that you owns this. Okay, you're good. One other thing is most of the people that he's seen dancing have some tattoos on them. So, ladies and gentlemen, show your tattoos, Taito. Show them. There you go. See? We got tattoos. Okay, so the first step that we're going to teach you today is what we call the pa'oti. Pa'oti means scissors, literally in Tahitian. So ladies and gentlemen, or more gentlemen, from your seat, from wherever you are, this is the pa'oti. Follow along. Here we go. Hey. Okay, once you're done, you strike a nice strong pose again. Here we go. Second step that you're going to learn today is what we call horo horo. Horo horo means to run. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, follow along. Horo horo. Hey. Okay, so again, nice. Is this nice smile there too? Okay, very good, very good. So now the third step that we're going to show you is ori opu, okay? Ori means dance, opu is your stomach. Ladies and gentlemen, ori opu. Hey. Yeah, very good. This last step that we're teaching for you today is what we call the nene, okay? Nene. And just follow along. Tahirua. You watch me whip, whip, watch me nene. Yeah, watch me whip, whip, watch me nene. And boom, watch me, boom, watch me, boom, watch me, boom, 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 boom. Hey, okay, very good. That was the nene, ladies and gentlemen. Now he's gonna put all of these fun moves together on a freestyle improv solo for your pleasure. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Taitoa!